best clear coat sprays provide durable protection, enhance shine, resist scratches and UV damage, and help preserve paint finishes longer. My today's video is about top 5 best clear coat sprays that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MCTRHG Clear Acrylic Paint Sealer. MCTRHG Acrylic Gloss Varnish is an excellent finishing solution for artists and crafters seeking both protection and a professional high-gloss appearance. Its crystal clear formula enhances artwork with a striking wet look shine that makes colors appear richer, deeper, and more vibrant without creating cloudy haze or dullness. The varnish forms a durable protective layer that helps resist UV damage, yellowing, fading, dust, scratches, and everyday wear, preserving the beauty of finished pieces over time. One of its standout features is the self-leveling formula, which dries quickly and leaves behind a smooth, glass-like finish free from brush marks, bubbles, streaks, or sticky residue. It works exceptionally well on acrylic paintings, pouring art, decoupage projects, diamond art, textured surfaces, wood crafts, ceramics, rocks, clay, and more. Easy to apply and non-tacky when dry, it delivers reliable results for both beginners and experienced artists. The added satisfaction guarantee further reinforces confidence in the product's quality and performance. Now our second product is Mod Podge Spray Acrylic Sealer. Mod Podge Gloss Acrylic Sealer is a reliable finishing spray that combines convenience, versatility, and professional-looking results. The 12-ounce can provides ample coverage for a wide range of craft and DIY projects, making it a valuable addition to any artist's toolkit. Its crystal clear formula dries to a beautiful glossy finish that enhances colors and details while giving surfaces a polished, eye-catching shine. One of the product's biggest strengths is its versatility. It adheres well to multiple materials, including wood, metal, canvas, terracotta, and other craft surfaces, making it suitable for everything from home decor projects to fine art pieces. Application is simple and even, helping create a smooth protective coating without complicated preparation. Cleanup is equally hassle-free thanks to the nozzle clearing design. Simply spray the can upside down after use to prevent clogging. Backed by over 50 years of trusted performance, Mod Podge Gloss Acrylic Sealer remains a dependable choice for achieving durable, glossy, and professional quality finishes. Our third product is Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint. This semi-gloss protective spray stands out for its versatility, durability, and professional-looking finish. Designed for both interior and exterior applications, it works effectively on a wide range of surfaces, including wood, plastic, plaster, metal, masonry, and unglazed ceramic. The oil-based formula creates a tough protective coating that resists chipping in everyday wear, helping projects maintain their appearance over time. One of its most impressive features is the smooth, even coverage it delivers. With excellent hiding power, it minimizes surface imperfections while producing a consistent finish that enhances the overall look of painted or restored items. The semi-gloss sheen adds a subtle, attractive shine without being overly reflective, making it suitable for furniture, decor, crafts, and outdoor projects alike. The quick-drying formula becomes touch-dry in about 20 minutes, allowing projects to progress efficiently. Covering up to 12 square feet per can, it offers solid value while delivering long-lasting protection and a durable finish that holds up well in various environments. Now number 4, Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner Spray. The Signature Series Wheel Cleaner delivers impressive cleaning performance for anyone looking to maintain showroom-quality wheels without professional detailing costs. Its high-performance formula effectively breaks down stubborn brake dust, road grime, oxidation, and other contaminants that accumulate on wheels over time. The fast-acting foaming action clings to surfaces, providing extended dwell time that helps loosen dirt for effortless rinsing or light agitation. A major advantage of this cleaner is its compatibility with virtually all gloss wheel finishes, including chrome, painted, powder-coated, anodized, clear-coated, and custom wheels. It cleans thoroughly without causing streaks, discoloration, or surface damage. Beyond wheel faces, it can safely be used on wheel barrels, center caps, lug nuts, calipers, and even suspension components for a more complete detailing experience, suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and off-road vehicles. This cleaner offers versatility and convenience. With its simple spray-on, hose-off application, it delivers professional-grade detailing results at home while helping wheels maintain a clean, polished appearance week after week. And our last choice is Polar Clear Matte Flawless Lacquer Spray. Polar Flawless Clear Lacquer Spray Paint is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a durable, professional-quality protective finish. Its clear acrylic formula dries quickly and produces a smooth, attractive satin sheen that enhances both bare and painted surfaces without yellowing over time. The finish looks clean and refined, making it suitable for furniture restoration, home decor projects, and outdoor applications. What truly sets this lacquer apart is its strong protective performance. The solvent-based coating offers impressive resistance to UV exposure, scratches, water, salt spray, and everyday environmental wear. This helps preserve the appearance and longevity of wood cabinets, doors, furniture, and decorative accessories with minimal maintenance. Its versatility is another major advantage, adhering effectively to wood, metal, plastic, glass, masonry, plaster, and unglazed ceramics. Application is straightforward, with fast drying times and easy layering for consistent coverage. Available in gloss, satin, and matte finishes, this lacquer provides a reliable topcoat that combines aesthetic appeal, weather resistance, and long-lasting durability for a wide range of projects. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.